corporate drone. Barista's sticky notes made me human again. B32. Marketing specialist at mid-size agency. Job is spreadsheets, slide decks, corporate slow death simulator. Perma online, emotionally offline. Reliable aka free overtime NPC. Haven't dated in a year, not because picky, because no time to be human. Friend tries setting me up with her barista friend. Name's Mira. Into books, dogs, allegedly cute. Agree out of guilt and curiosity. She texts first, funny and short, not pushy. Timing always perfect, like she knows when I need a lifeline. Set up coffee date. Day of, client decides, urgent new deck. Cancel like a jackass. She replies, maybe next time. Next time equals never, because work owns me. But she keeps texting. Little things like, remember to blink today. Chaos scale 1, Comic Sans client. Start smiling at my phone like an idiot. She starts leaving sticky notes on my coffee cups. Yes, this is your fourth coffee, I'm not judging. Drink me before the meeting ruins your soul. Look forward to notes more than coffee itself. Realize I haven't smiled like this in months. Then 1 week, nothing. New girl on register. Mira on leave. Feel empty, like caffeine fairy abandoned me. 3 days later cave in, text her. Office feels weird without caffeine wisdom. She replies, sorry, family thing. Miss your sad tired face. Blush.exe. She comes back. Slides my coffee over with a sticky note. You survived. Reward equals dinner with me. Brain blue screens. Say yes. Miracle, leave office before 8 p.m. Ramen place, she shows up leather jacket plus black dress. Me equals awkward corporate drone energy. She makes fun of menu. Which broth is emotionally available? Laugh harder than I have in months. Tell her about job hell. She actually listens. Sips tea like wise monk with lipstick. You know you're allowed to be a person, right? Never thought of it that way. Walk her to train in the rain. Offer umbrella. Walking in rain is free therapy. She kisses me, quick, promise-like. Ride home, email from boss, urgent revisions tonight. Close it, turn off notifications for first time in a year. Lie down smiling at ceiling like an idiot. Keep seeing her. Pastries at my office with sticky notes. Co-workers think she's imaginary. Sometimes just cheap wine at her apartment above laundromat. No screens, just books, records, and her. Hands me note from her mom's poetry book. If something makes you feel too much, lean in. Leanin.exe successful. Months go by. Still mess up, still check emails too much. She calls me out when I drift. Boss asks for more hours, say no. Request part-time remote. Terrifying but feels like taking off a heavy jacket. Show up at her place, no excuse. Burn garlic cooking pasta, laugh anyway. Find another note in her mom's book. Love isn't in grand gestures, it's in showing up when you're tired. Read it aloud. She leans forehead to mine. Thanks for showing up. 1 year later, living together above another coffee shop. Still sticky notes on cups. I still check emails, but not at dinner, not when she's talking, not in quiet mornings. Sometimes love doesn't arrive loudly. Sometimes it just waits, patiently, until you finally come home.